Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Shinobi. I'm gonna do another knife review. This time we're going to review K-Bar. Good stuff, great knife. This is the K-Bar. Beans use this knife. This is the package where it came. Credit card. A card. And the guys, I bought this. I don't know if you could get this well. And, I bought this from tomarskbars.com. Good people. Fast shipping. Came with this. Shows you all the knives they got. I'm sorry. These are some of their knives. This is the original one. The ones the Marines use. I think this is the BTI or something like that. They're great. Great stuff. What a mess. Okay. This I like. EK2. I'm gonna buy this. I really like this. It's caught my eye for a time. I've been seeing a lot of videos of this knife. So let's get to the toy. Came wrapped. The knife came inside this, for protection. Doesn't rip off the box or something. Came with a sticker. I put it on my Xbox. I'm sorry. This is my first time doing these videos, so this is a 295 Crovan. This is the foliage green. This is great. I rather this than the leather. And the plastic sheet, great sheet. Yep, we're in Christmas. Christmas. We're in Christmas. Okay, no. This is the plastic sheet. Pretty good. I got a project with this. I'm gonna put a pouch here with some survivor kit. I'm gonna put a few stuff here. A fire starter. I'm gonna put it on the back of here. I got all that over there, and, I got all this stuff. I haven't got the time to pack this up. This is a great sheet. My only complaint is that I'm righty, and at the beginning, it would take good, to snap its through port right now. You hardly can hear it. And it gets out fast, You can move it, but a little touch on it, and it will get out. You can shake it, and it will get out. But a little touch on it, and it will get out. It's not so firm and hard as it was when I bought it. But if I put this, like if I was left-handed, this would stuck pretty good. Here's the snap. See? No wiggle. Not even if I touch it. So, I suppose it is because the pressure keeps pushing the right side, and the left side gets a little bumpier. So when you get it in here, this device right here is gonna hold on to it. But for the price point, it's great. I paid like $70, $75 for this or less. I don't remember. This is a 1095 Crovan. I use this a lot. Beat the hell out of this. Lost some of the coating up here. And over here, some of it. You see this? It's pretty good, the coating, but it's starting to wear off. I've done a lot with this knife. Let me see if I could get some light here. Yep. Look at this. I don't know why people buy knives and they leave it on their closet or just go on and show it off. You know, I like to use my knife. Great stuff. Don't try to hammer with this. I tried it with mine and I stopped because this is not a full time. What this has here is this. Let me see if I can find the card over here. Alright, look at it. You see the handle, how it is? So this is like a rat tail, something like that they call it over here. Excuse my English, please. Pardon me. It's a full tan. I mean, I think they call this a rat tail. I'm not sure. But I've been on with this pretty big chunks of wood. And I practiced a lot of survival skills with this. It's great. Once I batoned this, and it kind of like bended almost all the knife, and I gave it a few hits, and it went back. So I suppose if you try to bend the blade, this part over here, it will go back to its place. But if you take this off and try to bend the inside metal of this in here, I think it will stay bent or it will break. But it's a pretty good knife, you know. We use this to dig some holes, baton, try to do some feather sticks with this right here. The guard over here, this part, I'm thinking about eliminating this side. Because when I'm trying to choke on the knife, this here bothers me. So, you know, trying to do this on feather sticks, I use this for my finger. It's real dangerous, you know. I don't like it. Feels like nasty to, you know, if my hands get wet or something, you know, and they get slippery, it could rip off the skin on my finger. Great knife. 1095 Provan steel. K-bar. And it's made in the USA. It's not made in China, Taiwan, none of that fucking shit. You know, support American. Support the American products, man, you know. We do better stuff anyway, so no offense. You know, I just rather a knife made in America than made in another country. That's my point of view, you know. See here? Okay. This is just a quick review since I'm bored. And I want to give a thanks to None Fancy, because watching his videos, I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot of skills by my father. He's an ex-military, just a tattoo artist. But in my free time, I go out a lot. I have more knives, you know. I'm just showing what I got always in my pack. I got this in my backpack, and I use this on my side, and I always have this on my pocket. I got a lot of knives, but well, I'm just gonna do one at a time. You guys should see Nothing Fancy's video on this. He's better than what I just gave you. Well, thanks for watching. This is Shinobi. If you're gonna buy this knife, you know, you don't want to break the back, give it a try. It's a great knife, great value. You can't go wrong with this. You know, you cannot go wrong. The price point, good. It's good. Well, thanks for watching.